Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by checking your Redmi Note 9 Pro model and current Android version. Open Settings, tap About Phone, and note model number and MIUI version. Backup all data to Google Drive or a PC before you proceed. Charge the battery to at least 50% or connect to a charger while updating. Ensure you have at least 3 GB free storage for the update package to download and install. Open Settings and go to System Update to search for an official OTA update. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download the update package faster. Do not use mobile data unless you accept potential charges and slower speeds. Allow the download to complete and wait for the integrity verification to finish. Tap Reboot and Install when prompted, and do not interrupt the installation process until the phone restarts. If the OTA update fails, consider using MIUI Recovery or Fastboot with the official ROM package. Download the correct ROM for your model number and follow Xiaomi instructions for recovery or Fastboot installation. Only unlock the bootloader if you plan to use Fastboot, because unlocking voids warranty and erases data. After installation, perform a factory reset if you encounter persistent stability problems or app crashes. Reinstall apps and restore your backup after confirming the phone boots normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.